Okay, our first pair.
We are Team JA!
Ano ba yan? Yung sexy ba yun? Yung sexy naman. Ano, bigyan ko ng isa pang chance ha. Yung sexy ha. Yung mapapatili naman yung mga ladies natin. Diyos ko, ano ba yan? Okay. Baka kailangan nila ng palakpakan. Maybe they need a big round of applause! Okay. Our first pair.
I am Justin. And I'm Arnold. And we are Team JA!
Okay. I hope that time is enough for you guys to actually prepare yourselves. Okay. We have the second.